Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a Philco Predicta television with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a set of 1x4 plates. Let's stack these on top of one another. Right hand stud, a 1x1 plate. We're going to use that to attach our antenna right in the center. A 1x2 by 1x4 downwards angular plate followed by a 1x1 flat tile. Place this on the left hand side. I'm going to slide this out of the way. I'm going to take a 1x4 plate, take a 1x2 radiator grill. We're going to place that on the left hand side, followed by a 1x2 jumper plate. Place that on the right hand side, and a round 1x1 flat tile for a channel clunker knob. We're going to place that there. We're going to place this assembly right on the face of our angular plate. And then on this stud right here, a 1x1 round plate with a 3.2 shaft, and right here on this stud, a small aerial whip for an antenna. Place that right there, make sure that's on there pretty good, and take a rounded 1x1 by 2/3 plate with a stud on the side. We're going to place the face of the stud right on our round plate with stick. Now I want to make the screen, so I'm going to take a 1x3 rounded plate. I'm going to place a 1x2 flat tile on a 1x2 golden plate. Place it on as shown. I'm going to take that peg and shove it right in the middle tube. Right there. Just line that right up. Then we're going to take a half round 1x2 jumper plate and a half round 1x2 flat tile, place them on top of one another. Now I want to make two of these assemblies. Place these right next to the 1x2 assembly as shown. Then right here I'm going to place this stud right in the center to attach the screen to our head unit. Make sure everything is lined up. Sometimes these can be a bit of a chore to center up, but that completes the Philco Predicta television.